Not every business tool needs a warehouse or a massive loan. Some of the smartest machines for small businesses are just a click away on Amazon. In this video, we'll skip the fluff and show you the most practical and profit-friendly machines to help you launch, grow, or upgrade your hustle. All the mentioned machines links are in the description below. Number 30. SAYOK Inflatable Cash Cube. This inflatable cash cube offers a unique and engaging way to attract attention at events, trade shows, or store promotions. Participants step inside the inflatable booth and try to grab as much flying cash or coupons as they can within a time limit, making it both fun and memorable. It's a great strategy for drawing crowds, boosting foot traffic, and increasing brand exposure. With a price tag of around $250, it's a cost-effective marketing investment. Many users praise its sturdy construction, quick and easy setup, and the lively atmosphere it creates wherever it's used. Number 29. Large Vending Machine. The Combo Vending Machine offers a modern and efficient solution for businesses looking to provide both snacks and beverages in a single unit. Its sleek design and user-friendly interface make it a great addition to offices, schools, gyms, or retail spaces. With an advanced control system, it can handle a wide range of products, ensuring customer convenience and satisfaction. Priced at around $4,000, it includes features like cashless payment options and energy-efficient cooling. Users praise its reliability, smooth operation, and the responsive support provided by the manufacturer. Number 28. VEVOR Vinyl Cutter. This vinyl cutter machine is a versatile solution for creating custom designs, making it ideal for businesses involved in signage, apparel, or personalized decals. With built-in Bluetooth connectivity, it allows for quick and easy design transfers from your device. It delivers precise cutting across a variety of materials, including vinyl, paper, and fabric. Priced at around $280, it offers a generous cutting area and an intuitive interface that's easy to operate. Customers consistently praise its cutting accuracy, overall reliability, and the boost it gives to production efficiency. It's a valuable tool for expanding your creative services or product range. Number 27. PicoBrew Zymatic. If you invest $2,000 in the PicoBrew Zymatic system, you can start brewing high-quality craft beer right from your garage. It uses advanced whole-grain brewing technology, but simplifies the process to make it fast, enjoyable, and beginner-friendly. You can even manage it directly from your phone. With access to over 100 award-winning beer recipes, getting started is easy. Just select a recipe and the system handles the rest in about 4 hours. It also includes a 19-liter keg, perfect for selling your brew at local bars or festivals. The best part, you don't need huge equipment or years of experience to break into the beer business. Number 26. VEVOR Chamber Vacuum Sealer. The Chamber Vacuum Sealer is a valuable tool for food-related businesses, especially when it comes to preserving freshness and extending shelf life. Priced at around $330, it delivers strong vacuum power, making it ideal for packaging meats, cheeses, and other perishable items in bulk. Many users highlight its sturdy build, efficient performance, and ability to process large amounts of food quickly. It's also praised for being user-friendly, with reliable sealing and a spacious interior. While most customers find it well worth the investment, feedback on its build quality and heat settings is somewhat mixed. Number 25. Cricut EasyPress 3. This is perfect for anyone who wants to add cool designs to clothes. No matter if you're working from your garage or running a small fashion shop, you can use it on jeans, t-shirts, and other everyday clothing to give them a stylish look. It's really easy to use, just like an iron, and the Cricut app shows you exactly what to do. The designs stay on even after many washes, and with a top heat of 205 degrees Celsius, it works well on thick fabrics too. Plus, it's small and compact, so it doesn't take up much space. Number 24. Oil Press Machine. This press machine is powered by 2 strong motors with a combined output of 1,500 watts, allowing you to press multiple materials simultaneously. It features a high-quality mechanism with durable dual 4-speed carbon steel gears built to last. Designed for energy efficiency, it consumes low power and operates operates quietly, keeping noise levels below 70 decibels. The automatic pressing function simplifies the operation, making oil production effortless. Additionally, the manufacturer offers full after-sales support to ensure customer satisfaction and assistance whenever needed. Number 23. Badge Maker Machine. A badge making machine lets you create custom badges featuring logos, text, or images. Starting a business with this machine allows you to cater to orders for events, festivals, sports teams, and schools. You can also run an online shop specializing in personalized badges. This business has demand across many industries, offering a creative and profitable way to produce unique accessories. Number 22. FoxAlien Masuter Pro. This CNC router is a versatile tool designed for engraving and cutting materials like wood, metal, and plastic, making it a great fit for both hobbyists and small businesses. With a price of around $599, it offers solid value through its all-metal frame, high precision, and reliable performance. For those needing more advanced features, a higher-end version is available at about $1,500, offering expanded capabilities. Users consistently praise the machine's accuracy, sturdy construction, and responsive customer support. It's a dependable option for those looking to take their crafting or manufacturing projects to the next level. Number 21. Tufting Gun. The Tufting Gun machine is a flexible tool widely used in the textile industry for crafting detailed designs on carpets, rugs, and other fabric products. It significantly speeds up the tufting process compared to doing it by hand, offering precise control for creating patterns and textures. This makes it ideal for businesses that want to provide customized textile items. Prices depend on the machine's features, brand, and quality. Entry-level models suitable for hobbyists typically cost between $100 and $200, while professional-grade machines with enhanced durability and features can range from $500 to over $1,500. Choosing a high-quality machine ensures long-lasting performance, which is important for business use. Number 20. xTool F1 Laser Engraver. This is a high-performance laser engraver designed for those looking to turn engraving into a profitable venture. As the world's first engraver to combine a 20-watt fiber laser with a diode laser, it delivers industrial-level capabilities while remaining compact enough to fit in a home workshop or garage. It boasts the largest engraving area in its class, 22 by 22 centimeters, which can be expanded further with an optional conveyor belt. A built-in smart camera with autofocus and AI integration streamlines the entire workflow, making operations simple and efficient. What truly sets it apart is its versatility, capable of engraving on a wide range of materials including titanium, stainless steel, gold, leather, paper, and even cookies. Number 19. 3D Effect Wall Printing Machine. A 3D wall printing machine is a specialized device that prints high-quality detailed designs directly onto walls. Using advanced printing technology and software, it can create intricate images and patterns on various surfaces such as plaster, wood, and concrete. This makes it ideal for homes, offices, and commercial spaces, allowing for customized murals and artwork. It's also perfect for eye-catching advertisements on building exteriors and interiors, as well as temporary event decor like exhibitions, weddings, and corporate functions. Number 18. Dynamic Lightbox. Lightboxes featuring custom images are a creative and eye-catching solution for decor and advertising. These illuminated displays are perfect for walls in cafes, shopping centers, or any space where visual appeal matters. Live or thematic photos, easily generated with AI, can be used to create stunning visuals that draw attention and set the mood. If you're offering advertising services or designing a cozy interior, this portable and stylish option adds a unique touch. Prices typically start at around $90, depending on the size and customization. Number 17. Soap Making Kit. Making and selling handmade soap is now easier than ever, thanks to this $60 starter kit that includes everything you need to get started. It comes with 6 fragrance oils, 6 colorants, wrapping materials, and even twine for packaging. This kit not only opens up a new income stream, but also offers a relaxing and creative activity. Soap making is both soothing and rewarding, and the finished products are unlikely to stay on the shelf for long. Demand for handmade soap continues to grow as more customers customers look for natural, eco-friendly alternatives to mass-produced items with questionable ingredients. Number 16. 3D printer. A 3D printer creates three-dimensional objects from digital models by building them layer by layer. It's perfect for making custom items such as jewelry, figurines, prototypes, and parts for various applications. It's also widely used in specialized fields like custom medical devices and educational tools. Customers find the printer easy to use once it's set up and praise its high print quality, especially noting the PEI build plate as a great feature. Additionally, the printer works quickly, completing jobs in about 20 minutes, and users agree that it offers excellent value for the price. Number 15. Sublimation Printer. A sublimation printer prints images onto special transfer paper, which can then be applied to items like mugs, shirts, phone cases, and photo gifts using heat and pressure. It's ideal for producing vibrant, long-lasting, personalized products. Many users find the printer easy to set up and use, praising it as one of the best in its category. However, opinions on print quality are mixed. Some report excellent results, while others say it doesn't work at all. Additionally, customers frequently mention that the ink is extremely expensive, which impacts overall value. Number 14. Aieve Snack Coater. The Snack Coater is a great add-on for certain KitchenAid stand mixers that lets you easily coat nuts, fruits, and candies with chocolate or other yummy toppings. It can handle a good amount, about 2 to 3 pounds, so you can make plenty of tasty snacks like almonds, pistachios, dried strawberries, or gummies all at once. Made from sturdy, food-safe stainless steel, it's built to last and safe to use. Cleaning is a breeze too. You just warm up any leftover chocolate, scrape it out, and wash the coater by hand or in the dishwasher. Plus, you can reuse that leftover chocolate, so nothing goes to waste. This little tool turns your mixer into a handy machine for making homemade, professional quality coated treats with ease. Number 13. Cricut Joy. An electronic cutting machine is a versatile tool that cuts various materials like paper, vinyl, fabric, and leather with precision. It's perfect for DIY crafters and small businesses creating custom t-shirts, home decor, greeting cards, scrapbooking items, and personalized gifts. This machine can also produce detailed designs for stencils, decals, and labels, making it an excellent addition to any creative workspace. With user-friendly software and digital design compatibility, it allows users to bring their ideas to life easily and efficiently for both fun and profit. Number 12. Electric Die Cutter. A digital die cutting machine designed to cut intricate shapes from a wide range of materials using precise digital designs. Perfect for papercraft, scrapbooking, card making, and crafting custom invitations, decorations, and packaging. With higher and even pressure compared to many traditional die cut machines, it ensures accurate edge-to-edge cutting on materials up to letter size. The machine also features glide function feet, making it easy to maneuver around your workspace, offering both power and convenience for hobbyists and small business crafters alike. Number 11. Concrete Cement Mold. Get creative and start making money by casting concrete products using unique molds. You can find a wide range of molds for casting on Amazon, while the materials needed are available at your local construction store. Craft stylish items like vases, figurines, or even furniture using concrete or epoxy, then sell your one-of-a-kind pieces at local fairs or through online shops like Amazon. With your creativity and easy access to materials, running this business is both fun and profitable. Number 10. Candle Making Kit. Next, we have a mini candle making machine priced at just $50, offering an affordable entry into the growing handmade candle market. This compact machine lets you craft custom candles in different shapes, colors, and scents, perfect for gifts or special occasions. With personalized candles in high demand, you can sell each for around $15, potentially earning $3,000 or more per month. It's a great business idea that combines creative freedom with high profit potential, making it ideal for anyone looking to start a small artistic venture from home. Number 9. Automatic Can Sealer. A beverage can sealing machine is a must-have in the drink industry. It seals cans filled with soda, juice, energy drinks, and more to keep them fresh, prevent leaks, and avoid contamination during storage and transport. These machines come with different automation levels and can seal hundreds or even thousands of cans per hour, depending on the model. They work with various can sizes and offer settings to adjust sealing pressure and time based on the drink. Investing in one helps boost efficiency, maintain quality, and keep up with customer demand. Number 8. T-shirt heat press machine. An industrial heat press machine is made for handling large volume printing and transfer tasks. It applies heat and pressure to imprint designs onto surfaces like fabric, ceramic, metal, and plastic. This makes it a great choice for companies producing textiles, promotional items, or custom products. These machines provide strong, lasting prints with little manual effort. They come in different sizes, and higher-end versions include programmable settings for temperature and pressure, allowing for accurate and repeatable results. It's a dependable option for efficient and professional production. Number 7. Laser cleaning machine. A portable laser cleaning machine is a compact and efficient tool designed to remove rust, paint, oil, dirt, and other surface contaminants from materials like metal, plastic, and stone. Using advanced laser technology, it cleans without chemicals or abrasives, making it an eco-friendly choice for industries such as manufacturing, automotive, and construction. The laser offers precise cleaning, targeting only the needed areas while protecting the base material. Its speed helps improve productivity, and its portable design makes it easy to use in different locations, even tight or hard to reach spaces. Number 6. Lens Edge Polisher. A glass cutting and polishing machine for eyeglasses is used to accurately shape and smooth lenses to fit various eyewear frames. It precisely cuts lenses to size and polishes the edges for a clean, finished look. Highly automated, this machine boosts efficiency, reduces waste, and minimizes manual effort. With increasing demand for custom eyewear, a timing function adjustable from 1 to 5 minutes for easy operation, a dedicated polishing wheel that reaches up to 3,000 RPM, and copper chucks with silicone gaskets to protect lenses during polishing. Number 5. Balloon stuffing machine. Why not transform a small space into a fun little workshop that spreads joy and wonder? For around $400, you can grab this balloon making machine from Balloonsy, perfect for crafting eye-catching surprise balloons. Even the trendy Bobo balloons lit with LEDs. You can customize them with toys or other small items inside. No skills required, just follow the simple instructions and quick video guides. With endless parties, weddings, and events happening all the time, this machine is a smart way to tap into a festive and growing market. Number 4. Automatic coffee roaster. It offers 9 built-in roasting profiles for light, medium, and dark roasts, including options for sun-dried, washed, and honey-processed beans. Just pick a temperature profile, and it takes care of the rest. The stainless steel drum can roast up to 500 grams per batch, though 350 to 400 grams is ideal for best results. While it's not built for continuous commercial use, as frequent roasting may wear down components, the coffee roasting market is growing fast. For anyone looking to scale up and meet larger demand consistently, investing in a commercial grade roaster with higher capacity, faster cooling, and durable parts would be a smarter long-term move. Number 3. Digital embossing machine. This digital embossing machine is great for customizing leather, paper, and other materials with a professional finish. It features adjustable temperature settings and digital controls, making it easy to get consistent results every time. At around $200, it's a smart investment for anyone looking to add a personal or branded touch to their products. Users appreciate how versatile and reliable it is, especially with the included accessories like stamping letters. You can also find additional stamps online to expand its use. For leatherwork, pairing it with a quality cutting machine can make shaping and embossing materials even easier and more efficient. Number 2. Sublimation Printer. A sublimation printing machine is a device that prints colorful, long-lasting designs onto materials like fabric, ceramic, or metal. It works by turning solid dye into gas, which bonds with the surface to create sharp, durable images. Great for making custom t-shirts, mugs, or home decor. It's a useful tool for small businesses in creative and promotional industries. Number 1. Cup sealing machine. Now it's time to serve that bubble tea, and to keep up with the rush, a cup sealing machine is a must. WantJoin offers a model that can seal up to 600 cups per hour, whether they're plastic or paper. It even keeps count of how many cups you've sealed throughout the day. With this level of speed and precision, you're all set to handle large orders with ease. So that's all for today. If you'd like to check some of them out, I've linked all of them in the description box below. Thank you for watching.